kid next door.
Hello everyone, so we are back with another painting having a heart shape in it. So in the drawing sheet we are going to first place a big heart in the center. Once we have the right shape in the center, we will start painting. So first we are going to paint the background around the heart, and again we'll be using the aluminium foil technique in this. So I'm just randomly putting a thick coat of light green color around the heart, and further around the corners I'm adding the dark green thick shade. I'm not using any water in my brush as of now. It is the thick paint as it is. Even if you are using the tube colors, you may just directly take the color and start applying to cover the area basically. Once you have your colors laid around, we'll take a aluminium foil, a small piece of aluminium foil, crush it and start dabbing. Remember, the key is it's dab dab dab. So the foil should not rub your sheet, it's only dab dab dab. If you feel the sheet is not having enough color, you may keep adding more color on your aluminium foil and keep dabbing it so that you get the right texture and a kind of leaf bushes around the heart effect. So you see I'm dabbing with dark green over light green part. So it gives a very beautiful bushy effect. And once I have covered the light green portion with dark green dabbing enough, then I'm going to add the light green now and start dabbing over the dark green part of my sheet. So dark green, light green, mix and match everywhere. Once everything is set, then in the center in the heart we are painting some roses. So directly take the red color, no water, and make outlines of your roses covering the entire heart. It is a random, it's not circle, but just a random shape which may give you just the size of the rose that you are making and also defines the heart shape that you want it to have. Over it, now I'm applying a big blob of white paint directly. No water in the entire painting here. So I'm just keeping the white spot, and now I'm taking an earbud and just making a spiral with it. And you see the magic? The roses appear. So you just have to move your earbud in random direction. You may just choose to move in spiral or in any random direction to give the effect of petals. If you think the earbud is having a lot of red paint like mine's, I'm adding more white paint in my earbud and going in C half curve strokes to give the feel of the petals to emerge. So in this way, very easily you can get abstract roses in your painting. It's very simple, the kids love doing it, so it's worth giving it a try. Then whatever space is left, you can add more roses in between to fill the entire heart. Add red, over it add white, and then go spiral, spiral, spiral. Lovely. If you have more space, you may add more roses in the center. Now, once it's done, I'm just taking some white paint in my thin brush, and I'm trying to cover the empty spaces which have emerged in between the roses. I'm also adding some more highlights to give the roses more fuller feel. It's entirely optional. You may just leave the spiral thingy, or you may add these random white strokes over your roses if you wish to. And we're almost done. Look at the background, look at the texture. There is such a 3D dimension in this painting, and it looks really amazing. So easy to do, yet so beautiful. Let me know in the comment box if you try, how your experience has been, what were the comments, feedback you received from people around. It would be great fun. I have drawn here red roses, try different colors, orange, pink, purple, and you can create different looks with different colors. So this is the complete look. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching more. Goodbye.